Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Brother HL-B2100DB printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties, wait for a few seconds, scroll down and here find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search type Brother HL-B2100DB printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the Brother. Open the first link, whatever first link is. And Brother official website is open. Here we find our operating system. Operating system means OS. Select Windows. In OS version, select Windows 10 64-bit if your machine is 64-bit. If machine is 32-bit, then select Windows 10 32-bit. I select Windows 10 64-bit. Click on the OK. And here we find many options. Go to this full software package, full driver and software package, or drivers. I always go to the drivers, so I go to the drivers. Here we find printer driver. I click on the printer driver. It's redirect me to another web page. Click on agree to download, and download is started at the top. At the top, our download is started and it takes few seconds. Our download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find the setup file, and this setup file is actually a zip file. These printer driver are a zip file, and there are two ways to unzip it. First way is right click on it, click on the extract files and extract your drivers. Second way is also simple, double click on it or right click on it and click on the run as administrator. Click on the yes, and unzip process is started. It takes few seconds. Click on OK. Here we find GDI. Double click on GDI, and here we find our printer drivers. Close it. Next step is install our printer driver. That is also easy and simple. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. Wait for a few seconds. In a printers and scanner at the top, we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on the yes. Click on the cancel. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and select any USB port that you find. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port that you like and click on the next. Here we find Havadix. Click on the Havadix. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. In a desktop, here we find our newly extracted folder. Go to your newly extracted or unzip folder. Double click on it. Here we find some files. Select any file. All file contains same printer driver. Select any file. Click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find many printers. From this printer, find our printer. In this case, I find Brother HL-B2100D, but B is missing. Don't worry, select this printer. This printer is also include our printer HL-B2100DB. It's include our printer. Select that printer. Click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give Brother HL-B2100DB printer. You can give any name that you like and click on the next. It's installing our printer. Wait for a few seconds. After that, our printer is installed. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, in a printer list, if you find your printer name Brother HL WinRAR-B2100DB. That means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.